Do you know what I can't stand? I really, really can't stand when people tell me that they're trying to make money online, they're doing the whole make money online niche. And you know what? It's a really, really tough nut to crack. And people say, Eric, I can't do this. I can't compete. And I can't stand when people tell me that because there's so many other ways of making money online. You don't have to do the make money online niche. And today I've got something really exciting. I'm going to tell you all about it in my review of Goodbye Addiction with PLR. So let's jump right into this. I'm not going to do my whole usual introduction. If you're new to the channel, you know who I am. If you're new to the channel, then go and watch some of my other videos. If not, you know who I am. I don't want to waste your time. My name is Eric Hammer. I'm the man in the hat. That's good enough. Let's jump right into this thing. Let's take a look at this amazing new PLR package. Okay, so this is the Goodbye Addiction with PLR package. This is a brand new course with full PLR. That means that you sell it, you can give it away, you can use it as a bonus, you can make it into your own product, whatever you want to do. Now, personally, what I think is the best way of doing this is to use it as part of a membership product. What do I mean by that? Basically, what I suggest you do is take this course, which, by the way, is currently going for around $8. Let's take a quick look and see exactly what the price is right now. I can tell you in just a moment. It's a pretty long sales period, so let's just bear with me. Here we go. $8.02 as of this recording, okay, for this package. And this comes with all the graphics, it comes with the content, it comes with literally everything you need in order to do this. I'm going to give you, as my bonus, when you pick it up exclusively from me, I'm going to give you my course on how to create a membership site in about an hour. So you can literally do this in your spare time over the weekend, okay? Plus, I'm also going to give you 30 additional courses on self-help. So you can actually take these and turn them into a membership site. Basically, you can charge people like $10, $15, $20 a month for a membership site on self-help and add this as part of it and create 30 weeks worth of content. Every week you put more content, and eventually you're going to have to get more content. Obviously, you can buy other PLR content, you can commission content, but this gives you enough to get started so that you can start making real money. By the time you have to go and add more content in, you'll have made a ton of money already. You can take and reinvest into your business to go and buy additional content so you can keep it going forever. It's a really, really simple way of making money. Again, you're going to get my course, my over-the-shoulder video on how to create a membership website. And basically, I'm also going to give you, on top of that, 30 courses on self-help, so you actually have the content ready to go, so you can actually start to monetize this thing right away. And again, it's going to cost you around $8 for the whole business. Now let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. You see, you get everything here. So you have the front end sales video, so you can actually use this exact video. And I'm also going to throw in some done for you logos. You can go ahead and customize it with logos. You're going to get the sales copy, the guide. Everything's going to be included for you. You can basically plug and play to start making money off of this thing instantly and start selling it right away. And this is a really, really hot topic right now, especially post-COVID. You know, I've been reading that as bad as COVID was, and it was horrible, don't get me wrong, I personally know people who passed away, or knew people rather, who passed away because of COVID. It was horrible, you know, and it's devastating. But the fact of the matter is that so many more people died because of drug overdoses or alcohol poisoning, all kinds of addictions, because they had so much trouble coping with the day-to-day life. And there's still people coping with it. And so this means that you have an opportunity to do good in the world by helping people with the information that they need in order to beat their addictions. At the same time, you can make some money doing it. So to me, that's probably one of the best things to do. It's basically a win-win-win scenario where literally you're going to get everything that you need and you're going to be able to feel good about yourself because you're not doing, the usual slimy whatever. Basically, you're selling something that people actually want and actually need, and you can offer it to them for a reasonable price and make a profit doing it. To me, that's a win-win because basically everybody comes out a winner. The people who need the help are going to get the help, and you're going to get paid for providing that help. And people will thank you for providing them with this help, by the way. It's not the sort of thing where you're basically going to be, basically, it's not the zero-sum game that most people think of in sales, especially in this case, because of the fact that you're really providing help for people who desperately do need it. Obviously, if you'd try to gouge people, that's another story. I would not try to gouge people. I would put this at a fair price, maybe $9.95 a month or $14.95 a month. Provide this thing. Maybe set up a Facebook group as well as a bonus where people who have addictions can share their stories, talk with each other, and get the help that they need. Basically, the idea is that you want to provide a valuable service. And when you do that, people will thank you for providing that valuable service. And I hope you'll thank me for telling you about this because I think this is really, really awesome. So let's see if I am going to go ahead and give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. I do like this a lot. I think this is awesome. It is really, really special and something that I personally believe in because I know people who have suffered from addiction terribly. And I know people who, as I said, died of COVID, but I know people also, they lost everything because of the lockdowns. They couldn't handle it. And so it ended up being something that really shook them to their core. And the addiction thing is a real thing that people need help with, and you can help them. You can give them what they need. Grab this one. This one's good. You're really going to love it.